Today it's November 18. Ito yung week na palagi kami nang hahat, ganitong day. So ayan, umaga pa lang nahuli ko na siya. Baka mga 160 yards o 150 yards. Alayo niya sa akin. Isang putok lang. Dapa na. Getting better and better every years. Well, this is my bag. Laki, di ba? Oh, Pepper, what is that, Pepper?